Welcome to Jacqueline McQueen's YouTube channel. Please like, subscribe, share, hit the notification bell. If this is your first time here, welcome. If you're returning, thank you for coming back. Bye-bye. Hi everyone, good afternoon. Welcome to Jacqueline's channel. Please like, share, subscribe, and tell a friend. Today I'm using products from HelloFresh. They give you so much food. Oh my God. I don't know if you've tried it. I'm not endorsing it or sponsoring it, but these potatoes that they give you in their bag are the bomb. Today I'm going to do chicken breast cutlets for my husband, and he loves this winter blend. This is from Dollar Tree. I love this. So, and then some Brussels sprouts. I did Brussels sprouts last night with these delicious potatoes. What I did was I cut them in half, and after I cut them in half, I sauteed them in butter, and I put some seasoning on it, garlic. It was delicious. This is the remnant of it from last night's dinner. It was so good. So I'm going to do a repeat of that. I'm going to have the Brussels sprouts, the potatoes, and I love lamb. My husband doesn't like lamb. So this is lamb with some basil over it. What I like to do is just put it up under the roasting oven and just let it get burnt on both sides. So that's today's menu, and I hope everyone will stay with me while I prepare. Okay, this weekend is Mother's Day weekend. I feel like oh my God, how could you have forgotten that, Jackie? My daughter, she told me Sunday. She said, "What are you doing Saturday morning?" I said, I don't know. She said, "Well, get ready. We're coming to pick you up on Saturday morning." I said, "For real?" Here I am. I said, "For real? You're picking me up?" She said, "Mm-hmm. She didn't tell me where we were going or anything like that. So I just got a text from her now. She said, "Be ready Saturday morning, 10 o'clock, and wear something comfortable." I have no idea what's going on, but I'm excited. So happy Mother's Day to all you mothers that are watching pre-Mother's Day. And may the Lord bless you with many more Mother's Day. Okay, let's get going. We're going to start out with cutting up these Brussels sprouts. This is such an easy. I'm going to put my frying pan on low. These have already been washed. Yes, my hands are clean. Okay. So what I'm going to do is cut these in half. See that little part there that people usually cut off? I like that. So I'm going to cut these in half. We were gifted, I had told you in one of my videos, our daughter Tashara gifted us a HelloFresh box. We still haven't finished eating that. The rest of that food is in the freezer. We did use the vegetables. Matter of fact, these Brussels sprouts are from one of the meals. Now, I have not went blow by blow how it tells you with the ingredient, how to, the directions on how to cook it and all of that. I haven't done that. My husband did. I didn't care for the seasoning. I didn't like that at all. Remember, as I always tell you, to keep your teapot close by. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to add some onion powder. How many of you know about Complete? Complete is very good. I was introduced to Complete by my sister Shirley. And she's an awesome cook and an awesome baker. So onion powder, garlic powder, Complete, some black pepper, some parsley. And what I'm going to turn this down some because I don't want it to cook so fast. What I did do, I forgot to tell y'all what I did, is I took some garlic and I cut some garlic in there. I used a little bit too much adobo yesterday, so I'm not gonna use that. It was not bad, but it was a little salty. So I'm gonna cut this garlic up. I love garlic. How many of you love the smell and the taste of garlic? I love it, love it, love it, love it, love it. So I hope that your family is planning something really nice for the mothers. And I feel bad for fathers because there are good fathers. We're not going to say, father's this. I'm using this much garlic because I like garlic, okay? My husband doesn't care for it like how I like it, but I love garlic. So what I'm basically doing, I'm going to cut this up here. I wish you could smell my kitchen. Oh my God. It smells so good. And I'm going to use some butter. Put that butter in there. And that water. And I'm going to let it get to like a little boil. Let me turn it up a little bit more. Get some more water out this tea kettle. And let that start boiling a little bit. I need to just see, does it have the right taste that I want in it? It's always, whenever you're cooking, it's always good to taste your food to see if it has the right seasoning that you like, you know. And always keep these plastic spoons around the house so you don't have a whole lot of stuff to clean up afterwards. Let me see. Stir that around in there. Just want to see how it tastes. It's missing a little something. It might be missing some salt. Because as I told you, I don't usually use salt. I use adobo and other things like that. But I don't use salt. Let me see how this is going. Yes, that's what it needed. Oh, that garlic tastes so good, y'all. Okay. I'm putting these Brussels sprouts this side down. Let it be. Lift this out the way. This is going to be so good. If you were here after everything was cooked, I'd fix you a plate. But you can't have my lamb chop. I only got one left. Hi, honey.
Hello.
How are you? That's my sweet husband. This year, God spare life, we'll be married 20 years. Yay! Because of Jesus Christ. The Lord did that, y'all. I know. It's like she always be talking about that. Yup. I sure am. Because you know what? God bless me with. Okay? When we come back, I'm going to, this is the chicken breast. This is from HelloFresh. It comes so nicely packaged. It's so nice. It's good product, but I did notice she gifted us with that box. But then we got another box today. So I said, daughter, we supposed to get another box? She said, you may have subscribed to receiving it. My husband told me when the box came today, of course it would come, and he was coming in. It's like, what's this? Why do we have another box? Well, I have to contact HelloFresh and tell them no more boxes. It's a lot of food. It's good food, but if it's just two, if you have a larger family than we do, it would be best to you do it according to you. But for us, it's too much food. Okay, I'll be back.